Today, we are going to see the tutorial for trending WhatsApp status of You Are My Heartbeat. Come, let us jump into the tutorials. First, go to Google Chrome, then type Pixabay. Pixabay site will be opened. First, you select Video option. Then, in the search bar, you type Heart. Lot of hard video footage will be shown there. From that, you select according to your wish and taste. I am selecting this footage. Then, I click Free Download button. In that, I select 1920 into 1080 resolution, then I click Free Download button. Finally, the hard video footage has been downloaded. Then, we are going to open Kinemaster app. First open Kinemaster app, then, click Setting button. There, in the editing section, you see the previous setting was 1.5 seconds. For our project, we are going to change from 1.5 seconds to 0.5 second. Now, you are able to see the default duration of a photo clip is 0.5 second. Then, click to Setting button. Select the aspect ratio 9:16 for our project. Next, you go to Kinemaster Asset Store button and then click. Now, Kinemaster Asset Store section is getting opened. Just scroll it. There, you will search for Clip Graphics icon. Just click it. The Clip Graphics is getting opened. There, you see so many clippings. From that, you search for In Animation and click it. In Animation, Clip Graphics asset is successfully downloaded. Then, go to Download section. Download the required photo. Select the clipping in the timeline. Then, select the Clip Graphics button. In that, you select In Animation Graphics. There you find lot of effects. In that, I have selected effect number 41. You can select according to your wish. Just download it. Then, you can duplicate it as per your wish. I duplicated nearly 24 times. Then, click Player. Then, click Media. There you find art footage, which we already downloaded. Simply download it. Then, select the art footage. Go to Chroma key and click Enable it. Select the green color and click it. Superb. We can get the art video footage with live action. Adjust it. We want to duplicate it for extension purposes. So, go to Duplicate icon. Duplicate it for 3 times. There you are. Now, we got 4 part video footage. Just adjust them and fit them. Next, we want to insert the birthday greetings text. For that, go and click Layer. Then, click Text. There, you got the text editor. In the text editor, just type, "You are my heartbeat." Next, we want to select font style. So, select the text footage in the timeline. Once selected, font's icon will appear. Just click it. Select whichever style you want. I have selected Latin. In that I have chosen Great Vibes. Then, if you want to change the color of the text, select Color icon. Color palette will be opened. I have selected yellow color. You can select as per your taste. Then, adjust the length of the text footage, you just extend it. OK. For downloading heartbeat sound, just click Audio icon. Then, go to Folders. Click Download. There, I have already downloaded heartbeat sound. You can get it from online. You go and download it at free of cost. Then, click plus button. Automatically, heartbeat footage got downloaded in our timeline. Trim the length. Next, we are going to download the background music. For that, click Asset Store icon. Scroll and click Music icon. I already downloaded Fly the Night music. Click the Download button. Music has been downloaded into the timeline. Trim and cut as shown in the video. Just run and test it. If everything is perfect, then you can export it. That's all, friends. If you find the video is useful, don't forget to like, share and comment. And also subscribe. Until then, goodbye.